Hey babes, what's up? We're doing, I'm showing you how I wash my brushes, my makeup brushes and sponges, and then just doing a little glow up for the brushes because I won't lie, I'm one of those girls who goes too long in between wearing, like cleaning her brushes. I give myself a little leeway because I'm like, oh, but I only wear makeup like twice a month, it's okay. No, it's not okay. Bacteria and germs get on there and build up. It's disgusting. I need to be more accountable. So today I did want to show you really quickly before we start the video. I picked up these two really interesting little doodads from Five Below. This one is a makeup brush washer. So if you can tell closely, and I will do a zoomed up clip, but this has a bunch of different little ridges and raised edges, which allows the makeup brush, it's supposed to allow the makeup brushes to get really clean, and the beauty blender. So we're going to be trying this out today. If this is a cool thing that I think is worth it and worth like the $3 I spent on it, I will definitely recommend it to you. And then the other piece we have, I'm just going to try this out for a drying mechanism because I cannot stand when my brushes still aren't dry 2 days later. So I found this also at Five Below. I think they're by the same brand, this Urban Butterfly. I'm not sure if you can get this elsewhere, but if you can, leave that down below for me so I can check it out. This is a brush holder, so it's suctioned. And so once my brushes are washed, I can suction them to the wall to dry, and hopefully with better airflow, this will dry them quicker.
You know about rolling down in the deep, riding in the deep, down in the deep. Now I know y'all be loving this shit right here. Rolling, rolling, rolling. What you gonna do? Rolling, rolling. What you gonna do? Down in the rolling, rolling, rolling. What you gonna do? What you know about rolling down in the deep? Down in the deep. Now I know y'all be loving this shit right here. Rolling, rolling, rolling. What you gonna do? Rolling, rolling. What you gonna do? Down in the rolling, rolling, rolling. What you gonna do? What you know about rolling down in the deep?
I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke.
You know about rolling down in the deep.
And maybe you guys will check out the products that I used and mentioned today as well. So if you do, make sure you leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.